This AI tool can do almost everything you can imagine. 2024 is the era of AI, and everyone is in a rush to catch up with the developing AI technologies so that they won't be left behind. In this process, many people just keep spending tons of money on different AI tools, which sum up to a huge amount of money that you are spending on AI tools. But today I am going to show a single AI tool which can literally replace all the other AI tools that you are using right now. It doesn't matter if you're a content creator or a working professional. This tool is worth every penny for you. The tool I am talking about is Prome AI. Just click on the link in the description and sign up for your free account. Now, to demonstrate, I am on a paid plan. Once you sign up and log in, you will see this interface, and there you will find tons of AI tools in a single place. So I'm going to walk you through some of their awesome AI tools. Now, if you are an artist or an architect, then this sketch rendering tool is a gem for you. You can simply upload your sketches and let the AI convert them to reality as you want. Next, simply upload your image by clicking here. For now, I'm going to use this image to demonstrate, and if you are seeing a different kind of interface, then make sure you are on version 2 by clicking here. As this is a scene image, we will leave the style option on default. But if you are rendering a sketch of a person, then you can select what styled image you want to generate. This tool has tons of style options. Just go through them, and you should find the perfect style for your image. Now, let's get back to this image. Click on Scene. Here you will get a lot of options to choose from, depending on what type of scene you want to generate. So, for now, we have a sketch of an architect. So we will select Architecture, and then select the type of building you want. You can also select building style and environment style depending on your needs. I will just select day. Once you are done in the scene section, we can move on to the mode section. Here, you can select the rendering mode. I will select precision concept because it will render the image while keeping the most possible details of the original image. You can also upload reference images in the reference section if you want. Next, you can also type your prompt here and negative prompt here if you want anything specific. You can also play around with artistry, decide the exact perspective, and select standard. Once everything is done, it's time to generate the image. Now let's see what it cooks. Well, that looks fabulous. Next up, we have AI headshot. Using this tool, you can create your personal photos into realistic-looking portraits. You can choose various styles and settings to convert your photos to the way you want. Simply upload your photo here. Now, to demonstrate, I will use this image. Next, select the style you want. I will suggest using realistic style as it will create highly realistic images. Then, select the type of scene you want. You will get many options to select from, so I will keep this option. You can also write your prompt here to get a specific type of image. Next, if you want, you can also select composition according to your preference. I will keep this one. Then, simply click on Generate. And as you see, the results are great. Next, we have Erase and Replace. This tool is similar to Adobe Firefly. See, I told you that you will get most of the great AI tools in one place. You can start by uploading your image here. Here, you will get 4 options to choose from: replace, remove, retouch, and recolor any image. Let's say we want to replace this frame with a clock. So to do this, I will simply select the frame using the auto selection tool, and then I will describe it here what I want, and just click on Generate. And boom, just change like magic. Next, a very popular AI tool is text-to-video generation, and Prome AI has it too. So, to generate text-to-video, simply click here, and here you will find many options to choose from. Here I will keep it default. And from here, you can select your preferred resolution, and using this option, you can select the level of motion you want in the video. And finally, write your prompt here and click on Generate. Let's see the results. Well, in my opinion, it's actually better than Runway and Pika Labs. Prome AI also has image to video option. Simply upload your image and select the level of motion, and hit Generate and wait for the magic. Now, these were some of the most popular AI tools in the market right now, but there are a lot more than this here. You have AI Image Generator, which is actually great compared to other tools, as it gives you tons of options to optimize your outcome. You also have Creative Fusion, where you can convert your art and sketches into unique artworks. Next, if you want to create variations of your images, then you can check out this tool. You can also convert your photo to a sketch. And if you sell any product, then this tool is great for you as it removes the background and generates an ideal background based on your selected option. And if you aren't aware, then let me tell you, AI supermodels are going crazily viral on social media right now, and in Prome AI, you will find a separate option just to create your AI supermodels. This text effect tool is really great. You can literally sell personalized text stickers or frames on Etsy. If you want to know more about this, then you can check out this video of mine. We are not done yet. Prome AI literally has the most AI features I have ever seen in a single place. Next, you have HD Upscaler, which can literally upscale your image to 4K quality. Outpainting is also a great feature. If you have any incomplete image, then you can simply use this tool to fix it. Here we also have a background remover, which will remove any kind of background perfectly. And finally, here we have a relight tool. Using this tool, you can change the image's lighting and brightness and enhance it to the next level. So, I guess you too haven't seen any other AI company to provide you this amount of crazy AI tools in a single place. And to get the most out of this, I would suggest you get one of their paid plans because it will save you a lot of money, as you are getting many AI tools in a single place that you might have been paying the same amount to use a single AI tool. You can also directly buy coins if you want. And that's it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out the description for more info. See you in the next video.